What's the first thing we are thanking America for? Open racism against Indians. It's like the mixed vegetable of birds. I see crow on top, और पीछे peacock है, and the legs are like a guy I knew in 6th. Some people call Thanksgiving Turkey Day. That's like होली पे मैं बोलूं गुजिया डे मुबारक हो जी, या हर वीकडे पे मैं बोलूं ओए it's Johnny Walker Day. Welcome to Baat is Your Problem, where we stand up to news and stand up to life and such. Let me talk about the news that's in the news right now. Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan recently attended the opening of the Natural History Museum in UAE. वापस आ गए ना दोनों, इंडिया आ गए ना दोनों, और they are our natural history. UAE, hands off. Salman Khan is mostly natural history. I think there's some artificial history in the hairline. Listen, from what I've seen from Salman Khan recently, he doesn't really move all that much. थोड़ी देर पॉकेट्स में ऐसे हाथ डाल के खड़ा हुआ होगा ना, वो हिस्टोरिकल आर्टिफैक्ट समझ के डिस्प्ले ना कर दें वहां पे. अरे 6 मिनट से हिला नहीं था. That's a UAE accent. 6 मिनट से हिला नहीं था. Natural History Museum में the Khan exhibit. You can't miss it. Can't touch it, बच्चे. They speak Hindi, but there's that accent. Yes, that's what it is. Ethiopia में volcano erupt हुआ है, and the ash is spreading everywhere. You know, in fact, the volcanic ash went through New Delhi. We have a picture of the volcanic ash. Take a look. Ha 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 ha! That's volcanic ash. Oh, what do you mean volcanic ash entered Delhi? ओ जी, दिल्ली वाले तो हर विंटर में volcanic type ash कर रहे होते हैं जी. हैं? Ash के साथ word play हो रहा है यहाँ पे. दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट को पता चला कि वोल्केनिक ऐश आ रही है, तो दे तो पुल्ड आउट द रेड कार्पेट एंड पुट इट ऑन द AQI मॉनिटरिंग स्टेशंस. Then the government says the carpet is not because of the ash. नहीं, वो टैंकर आसपास पानी छिड़क रहे हैं ना स्टेशन के, वो AQI स्टेशन पे पानी ना पड़ जाए, रीडिंग ना खराब हो जाए ना. Experts are saying, चिंता मत करो Delhiites, this will not make Delhi's pollution worse. And I'm thinking, what are you talking about, asshole? Pollution worse नहीं होगा. I think they've given up. They've given up, like me, given up. हाल देखो, एक और आइसक्रीम से क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? It's already so bad. अरे भगवान, लड़का वैसे ही 11वीं फेल है, अब ड्रग्स में पड़ गया तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Hey, howdy. Did you all know the United States of America is celebrating Thanksgiving this week? Well, I thought, why not take this moment to thank America for giving us things? Americans Thanksgiving पे टर्की खाते हैं. I hate turkey. I mean, look at it. क्या hodgepodge character है. It's like the mixed vegetable of birds. कितनी चीजें हैं इसमें. I see crow on top, हैं, और पीछे peacock है, and the legs are like a guy I knew in 6th. Some people call Thanksgiving Turkey Day. You know, so name the holiday after the thing that they eat on the day. That's like होली पे मैं बोलूं गुजिया डे मुबारक हो जी, हैं, या हर वीकडे पे मैं बोलूं ओए it's Johnny Walker Day. Okay, so what's the first thing we are thanking America for? Open racism against Indians. Thank you, Americans, for not keeping it hidden anymore. You know, अपनी फीलिंग्स अंदर छुपाने से तबीयत खराब होती है एंड आई डोंट वांट यू फॉलिंग सिक. हाँ, आपकी मेडिकेशंस महंगी हो गई हैं इंडियन फार्मास्यूटिकल्स पे टैरिफ्स लगाने के बाद, सो रिलैक्स, लेट योर रेसिज्म आउट. नेक्स्ट, Nalin Haley. Who the hell is that, you're asking yourself? And I'll tell you, he is Nikki Haley da puttar. Who is Nikki Haley, maybe you're asking yourself? And I'll tell you, ambassador थी, American ambassador, Indian background की. Nikki का पुत्र Nalin Haley says America should stop all immigration to the US. सिर्फ illegal वाली नहीं, all immigration stop कर दो. नलिन, क्या हुआ था तेरे खिलाफ ओपन रेसिज्म हुआ था? Why so mad at immigration, dude? हैं? तेरे नाना नानी जब इंडिया से अमेरिका इमिग्रेट करके आए थे, they could not have imagined that their daughter would one day give birth to a good old white boy. Good old white boy. You enjoy turkey, don't you? Blah. Gee. Listen, Punjab. Let me talk to Punjab for a second. Huh? The Randhawa family is originally from Punjab, but listen, you don't have to be proud of every Punjabi, right? Here are some great Punjabi Americans to actually be proud of. Oh, I've included Diljit Dosanjh. I'm assuming he has some property in America. Next, Kash Patel. America, thank you for keeping him in America. FBI के डायरेक्टर हैं भाई साहब, अब अपने बॉस की भक्ति में इतना लीन है कि उसे खुश करने के लिए एक बुक लिखी थी इन्होंने, The Plot Against the King. Okay, and he leans towards white people. That's okay too, nothing wrong with that. The problem is a lot of white people don't lean back towards him. But why? Open racism, that's why. भावुक कर दिया कैश ने मुझे. इनकी पार्टी के लोग, they don't like Cash, or that he celebrated Diwali, or the fact that he has the wrong skin color, and that is shocking to Cash. Look, he is shocked. Maybe that's the problem. Whenever Cash sees open racism, he just doesn't see it. इधर है कैश, इधर है रेसिज्म ओपन, इधर है कैश. क्यों इनकी चमचागिरी कर रहा है कैश? इधर कैश. Listen, Gujarat, let me talk to Gujarat, a heart to heart with Gujarat just for a second. Listen, Gujaratis, maybe you don't need to be proud of everything you have created. Dhokla, great. Shrikhand, awesome. Elaichi Shrikhand, crap. Utter crap. Chhi, blah. Worse than turkey. Kash Patel is Elaichi Shrikhand of people. You can be proud of these Gujarati Americans, Patel brothers, Bharat Desai, Kal Penn. I love Kal Penn. Now, Kal, Mango Shrikhand. Yeah. Oh, and finally, America, thank you for KFC. You know what? No joke here. I'm not being sarcastic, America. I love KFC. Thank you. KFC ki chicken bucket for dinner and I am in heaven. And after this bucket, what do I need? A doctor to delay my progress towards heaven. So thank you, America, for excellent doctors. For example, a Gujarati American cardiologist. अरे 6 मिनट से हिला नहीं था. That's a UAE accent.